Have you ever seen Mary Lincon children? And do you know that she has 6 beautiful daughters? And of course, not with the current husband Jogua Joroge.
Kwa hivyo nimechill na Holy J.
Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J TV. Are you holy?
Hello guys, and welcome back to Holy J TV. Of course, it's your boy Holy J, your number one infotainment news plug. Na manze, kama uja subscribe kwa hii channel, kindly consider doing that because great content is coming, and thank you so much manze, ile support unaendelea kunionyesha as usual. I salute you guys. So kuna story moja ajab sana manze, and I feel like I need to share the story with you. Najua nyi wote mnajua msanii anaitwa Mary Lincon. Now Mary Lincon is a vernacular gospel artist. Anaimbaga ngoma za Kikuyu pale hivyo. And she is married to a vernacular radio presenter by the name Jogua Joroge. Anakuwa kwa vernacular radio stations. Now Mary Lincon has 6 beautiful daughters. Yes, 6 beautiful daughters. I know you won't believe this. And the firstborn is 26 years old. Alizaliwa pale 1996. And of course not with Jogua Joroge, because they recently got married and a few years ago. Yes, ako university, and I know you won't believe that. Ukiangalia vile Mary Lincon anakaa very young. Akona mkidi ako university already at 26 years. I want us to have a look at a video of the kids with Mary Lincon and the whole family. Guys, have a look at this video. Guys, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers, and I know we will get there very, very soon. In the meantime, it's been your boy Holy J, and adios. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.